Welcome back to Living808. We are getting into the Halloween spirit today. After all, Halloween is just 2 weeks away, exactly 2 weeks away. Kelsey Lickert with Livng808 Kids is here with some fun craft ideas for the keiki. Hello. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, tell us what you have here. I love everything I see. I'm like, oh, I love it.
Gets you in the spirit, right?
Fun, absolutely.
So we have a couple different things, and all of these ideas are just based off of things that you probably already have around the house, or they're just a little more safe for the keiki, especially small children. Okay. So starting off first with these painted pumpkins. So instead of carving pumpkins, especially when you have small kids and you don't necessarily want them playing with sharp tools, this is a great alternative, and they can go crazy, and really the sky is the limit. So
you know what I love about this is, you know, we do carve pumpkins as a family, but if you do it too early before Halloween,
they rot.
It's disgusting.
It's bad.
So this is something that you can do, you know, a few weeks ahead of time as an activity, and then maybe carve it, you know, on the night before Halloween or something.
So because this one I only painted the front half too, so if you wanted, you could easily flip it over and then carve the other side if you really wanted to. So definitely an option there. You also have these little mason jars, or you can use even plastic cups. This is just what I had around my house, but you just paint them, and then it's a little bright in here so you can't really see, but there's like little fake LED candles that make the whole thing glow, so it's kind of spooky but very cute and fun.
I love this, and this is something you can put all around the house, or if, you know, even outdoors if you have a walkway, that could be your lights to the entryway.
So it's a fun little craft, but then it makes also a really great decoration for the house.
Yeah.
And then for these little popsicles, or not popsicles, lollipops, I just used coffee filters and then drew on the coffee filters to make little ghost faces, so that was really easy, really cute too.
Super cute.
And then those are like party favors.
Yeah, party favors. You could even probably use a Kleenex or something, right?
Oh yeah, definitely. So not just coffee filters. And then for pipe cleaners, because I mean, I feel like everybody that has kids has pipe cleaners somewhere in the house, right?
Yes.
These are little finger puppets. You actually just like kind of bounce them around on the table, and they're fun with the little googly eyes. So
how do you make these? These are cute.
It's really easy. I actually just started wrapping them around my finger, like for the body, and then you just stick the little legs through the sides.
Because it keeps its shape, right? Because of the pipe cleaners.
Exactly. So
I see. So you just wrap it around your finger.
Yeah.
Great. So you don't even need really any glue or anything.
No glue, no tape, no staples, nothing for this one. I did glue the eyeballs on the top, but that's it. So yeah. And then of course we have like this little Q-tip skeleton. So again, super easy. All I did was cut up some Q-tips and kind of paste them to make a little dancing skeleton guy, and then I painted the face. And then over here we just have a ghost with some cotton balls and paper. So still really easy. I mean, I have like a huge bag of cotton balls that I feel like it takes me forever to get through at home. So this was super easy for me to just whip together.
These are all such great ideas. Now I know we're going to make something today. What are we making?
So we're going to be making, I made a couple of prototypes here. There's a little spider hat and a bat hat, and we're going to make you a purple bat hat for the season.
I think to make it, we need to wear it.
Oh yes,
don't
definitely.
you?
So I'll put the spider one on.
How cute is
power
that?
Going, right? So it's really easy. All I did was just freehanded traced out a little like face. So really easy, just 2 ears. And then I cut out little circles for the eyes, and then I have little googly eyes. So I'm using a spray adhesive because I feel like it's a little bit less messy for me, but I think probably for kids you'd want to use like regular paste. But I'll spray this for you so you don't get your hand all sticky.
Great. Just put it right on there.
Put it on there. Get the other one.
How cute. We're almost out of time, but we can just, so you just do this.
Yes. Oh, whoops, that one kind of.
I can hold that for you.
There we go. And then there's the little mouth, too, that I'll spray really quick.
Okay. Oop. How easy is that?
So cute, so easy. And then what I did when I made the black one was I put it to my head and then kind of taped it together in the back so I knew where it would fit. And then I added the bat wings onto the side where I thought they would look.
And did you staple that or tape it?
This one I stapled, but you can also use tape. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
How cute. And these are all so easy to make. And again, you know, I think every parent has construction paper, cotton balls, Q-tips.
So easy, yeah, lying around. And if not, these are very easy, cheap little
You guys have a lot of great ideas, craft ideas, and now you have a Pinterest page, is that right?
Yeah, we do have a Comma and Kids Pinterest page where you can find these crafts and more, and then also any crafts for the different holidays or seasons. So a lot of our school programs also incorporate seasons into their curriculum, so we kind of do a teamwork effort with them and then also at the corporate office to make something really fun for the families.
I love it. Thank you so much. Great ideas. I want to go home and do that this weekend. Right?